Hello, this is Salwa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights video tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a mince biryani. This is one of the dishes that goes very far. You can feed many people with little ingredients. So you're going to add your heat a pot with a bit of oil, and then you're going to add your whole spices. So it's 1 stick cinnamon, 3 cardamoms, and some allspice. And you're going to leave it to cook for a bit, about for 1 minute or so, just for the spices, for the aroma to come out of the spices. Then you're going to add 1 sliced onion. So you can see I've roughly chopped my onion. I didn't chop it too finely. And then you're going to add your ginger garlic and your green chili. And just give it a quick stir. And then you're going to add 1 chopped tomato. Add a bit of water as required, and then you're going to braise your onions until golden brown. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, and you don't need to add water at this point. The reason being is for the flavor of the spices and the onions to come out, and if it sort of burns, and then the flavor develops more. And then you're going to add your leaf masala, 1 teaspoon leaf masala, 1 teaspoon coriander, cumin powder, turmeric, garam masala. Give it a stir and toast your spices. Then you're going to add 300 gram mince. So you can see I've used very little mince here, and this recipe will easily feed about 4-5 people. Right, and then you're going to add your salt. Your salt is as required, 1 to 2 teaspoons salt. I've got 1 sliced courgette, 1 carrot, 1 cup peas. You can use frozen vegetables as well, but I didn't add frozen vegetables, so I just cut my own vegetables and use those that I had in the freezer, in the fridge as well. So add a bit of water. And then you're going to leave it to cover and leave it to cook for a bit. So you don't want the vegetables too soft as well. So you still want the crunch or the bite in it. Add a bit of dhania. Dhania is optional as well, but I find dhania gives a nice flavor. But don't add it if you don't have it, so don't stress. And then you remove the mince mixture from the pot. And in the meantime, I've fried some potatoes, about 2 potatoes, just until golden brown. Doesn't need to be soft. Add half of the rice. Actually, I used about 1 cup of rice, 1 to 1.5 cups of rice, but you can add a little more rice if you want to. So as I say, about 1.5 cups of rice, parboiled. I've used basmati rice, but you can use long grain or just normal parboiled rice, everyday rice as well. Garnish with extra freshly chopped dhania and chunks of butter. And then you're going to leave it to steam until done. So it's going to take about 20 minutes for the potatoes and everything and the rice to be cooked and nice and soft. So there you have it. Very quick and easy meal, ready in less than an hour. And I've saved it, I've served it with day as well.